Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about RBC Royal Bank, and more specifically how you can order checks for your RBC bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your RBC Royal Bank account number on it and the routing number as well. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the RBC Royal website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, rbcroyalbank.com. You can also check the description for the link. The first way to order checks for your RBC bank account is going to be through your bank account online, to log into your bank account online. To do this, look for the sign in button, which is located at the top right of the screen and it's yellow. You'll click sign in, and then that will bring you to this screen here where you can enter either your card number or your username and your password. If you're not signed up for online banking, there is a link over here where you can enroll in that, and so you'll just click on the link that says discover right there. It's a little bit small. The link that says discover, and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to go to banking options and then order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for RBC Royal Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your RBC Royal debit card, and that is usually going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the RBC Royal website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find. If you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there's sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for RBC Royal Bank. I've already got this tab up and I've typed in the search bar order replacement checks for RBC Bank, and it brings up several websites where you can order your checks from. Bradford Checks Exchange, Costco Checks, Walmart Checks, pretty popular websites and third-party vendors that you can buy your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering checks online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact RBC Royal account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the RBC bank account or website or through their customer service, you'll have to provide those numbers because they won't be automatically loaded. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this video useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on RBC Royal Bank.